Hey guys, welcome to our channel Dig. Today we are going to play music using our Python program. For this program we are going to use play sound module. So let's get started. And at the end of this video there is a little bit experiment for you all, and you can take it as a task. So comment below about that experiment. So we will start our programming. Import play sound dot play sound, and here we need to put our path where our file is saved. In my case this is the path, and don't forget to make it true. Okay, now we will play the song. Okay, so as we can see our program is running very smoothly. So here is our experiment for the day. Okay, so here I had created a speech recognition module which will recognize your speech, and on your command it will try to play a song. Let's try it. Play song. So as we can see our program. So here is your task. Just grab this code and try to manipulate it, and try to do some experiments with this code, and we are waiting for your response. Just comment below and just tell us how you liked our idea. Thank you for watching this video.